How to animate this star burst in Alight Motion. Add a star shape. Then add the scatter repeat effect from the repeat category. Decrease the radius property to bring the stars closer and add a keyframe to start the animation. Move forward in the timeline and increase the radius property to make the stars disperse. Go to Animation Easing and add this exaggerated ease-out curve. Copy the curve. We'll need it for the adjustment animations. Go to Range Transform. Add a scale property keyframe to start the animation. Go to where we'll end the animation and set the scale to 0. Animate the angle property as you like and make the alpha property fade the stars out. Make sure to paste the same curve onto every animation easing to avoid awkward motions. Go to Range, select the End property and add a keyframe. And at the end of our starburst animation, set the End property to 0. This will make all the stars animate and fade out nicely. As you can see, pasting our graph onto this End property animation is causing a starburst animation to become too fast. So I'll opt for a linear easing. This seed property you see, this will give you very different bursts by changing the position of the cluster of stars. To add a glow, I'll add the soft glow effect from the color and light category. And to make the stars look cute, I'll add the smooth and edges effect from the drawing and edge category. Make sure to bring the smooth edges effect to the top before other effects. Now we have our cute starburst.
If you find the animation to be too fast, just slow down the animation from speed adjustments. The last thing I'll show you is enable alternate copies and change the fill color to get different colored stars.